identical cans with their outside surfaces either polished silver or painted dull black. Each can contains the same volume of water initially at 80 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes in a cool room, which can contains the coolest water.
So first you tell me which one be coolest. Uh, that one is gaining temperature or like preserving temperature or losing temperature. Right. Hello.
Losing temperature.
Yeah. So the one which one is becoming cooler? Yeah, Mahi.
Yes,
Mahi.
sir.
So the one which one is coolest? What does it mean? That one lost most of the heat, right?
Yes, sir.
So which preparation here is necessary to lose heat most, or which arrangement? So what do you think? If you chose D, if you are giving their lead, uh, will there be heat loss faster?
Oh no, sir.
So there should not be any lead, right? First of all,
Yes, sir.
and secondly, you chose polished silver. So you chose the complete opposite one, right? Isn't it? You
Yes, sir.
you chose the one which one is for warmest water, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the coolest one will be just opposite of your one, Dhaka. Which one is that?
Sir, A.
A. So now you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So it's all right. You understood it. Now we have next 6. Question number 6. Oh, it is also tricky. It's like you know swing ball. In cricket. Yeah. So it's about the vibration of molecules, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mahi.
Yes, sir.
Heat transfer by vibration of molecules. Where it happens? In solid, liquid, or gas?
Solids.
Hmm.
Solids.
Yeah. So it should be solid, right? The vibration of molecules.
Yes, sir.
Heat
Yes,
transfer,
sir.
heat transfer by vibration of molecules, that is solid. So which one is solid here? Hmm? Mercury is solid. Hello?
Sir, rubber.
Rubber, yes.
Yes, sir. Rubber.
Rubber is the solid. So the answer should be C. Though it's a bad conductor, but there will be little bit, right? Little bit
Yes,
conductor,
sir.
and that will be by vibration of molecules. Now this one is all right. So this one you got correct. Then 9. Here. Actually, this one I don't know why you got this one wrong. I don't know. But the hints is given there, right? Formula of weight.
Yes, sir. So I was rushing that time.
Yeah, you are rushing, and you see an object is lifted. Which expression gives the increase in gravitational potential energy of the object? So gravitational potential energy formula you know, right? That one is
Yes, sir.
mgh. Yeah, which one? Mgh, right?
Yes, sir.
So here we got dpe equals mgh. Now the options you check. We said mg is the weight. Weight is one kind of force, right? So if you are thinking mg is the weight, then h is the height, right? H is the height,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's involved with this one, right? D, weight
Yes,
multiplied
sir.
by the increase in height. So it's weight multiplied height. So the answer is Dhaka.
Yes, sir.
Now next 13. 13, yeah, it's also related to convection. Can you please read 13?
Okay, sir. Mm, the diagram shows a glass tube filled with water and suspended above a bench. The water is free to circulate around the tube. At point P, there is a convection current moving in a downward direction. At which point is the tube heated to cause the convection current?
Okay, so how the convection process is done? You see here one arrow is given, right? Arrow is given.
Sir.
Yeah, and that arrow is showing you the direction of convection current. So if the arrow is here, then we can say the other part also there is direction of convection will go this way, right? It's about the circulation. Is it clear now how the convection process is going?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so we understand here it is sinking down, sinking, and here is rising, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, to rise, they need to be less dense, right? And to become less dense, we should give heat here at A. Then from here, the molecules gain energy, they will rise up, and to fill up their gap or this space, we are having the water sinking down in other direction. Yeah, other direction means in other side. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, what should be our answer here? At which point the tube is heated? So the answer should be A, right? If
Yes,
you
sir.
apply heat here, then it is possible to rise, molecules rise here. Then if they are rising to fill up that space, we are having more liquid in the other side. From the other side, it's coming down, right? Sinking down. So it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
13 is over. 14, huh? 14 is done. 14, your one is correct. Then this one. This one is one of the very tricky questions, I would say. So, can you read it, Mahi?
Okay, sir. Work is done when a force of 400 Newton pulls a crate of weight 500 Newton at a constant speed along a ramp as shown.
Mhm.
Part of the work done increases the gravitational potential energy E of the crate, and the rest is work done W against friction. What are the values of E and W?
Yes, so E is the uh, work done, but it's involved with the gravitational potential energy, right? Part of the work done increases the gravitational potential energy E of the crate, and the rest of work done W against friction. So you think of it. The gravitational potential energy, it means it is work done against the gravity, isn't it? So work done against the gravity, which length we will take? We will take 3 meter or we will take 5 meter? Which one will take?
3 meters.
Hello? Which one?
3.
3 meters. So we are taking the vertical height for calculating work done against the gravity, that is dp, which will give us dp or mgh, and which force we will use. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Which force we will use? We will use 500 newton or 400 newton.
400 Newton.
Why you are taking 400 newton?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, when you are taking the vertical height and you are calculating work done against the gravity, should you take the driving force or you should take the weight?
All vertical forces.
Yeah. So it's about the weight, right? It's against the
Yes,
gravity. It's
that is
working against
300.
the gravity. So what should be the answer for E?
50 into 10.
3 into 500, right?
Yeah.
So the change in GPU, we say they are saying increases. So we write increase in GP equals mgh. So here mg altogether is given 500 newton, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiplied 3. Mg is weight. So weight is given here 500 newton. So everyone, you understand it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What about others? You also understood? Farabi, Maimuna, Lamisa, yeah, Monica.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, all of you understood, right? So we have here increase in GP, that is mgh equals 500 multiplied by 3, that is coming 1500 joules. And next one, we are seeing that they are saying W, which is work done against friction. Work done against the friction is the work done minus. So what is the work done by the driving force? That is force,
5 into 400.
yeah, force multiplied by distance moved, right? That is 5 meters. So we are having here 400 Newton multiplied 5 minus work done against gravity. We already calculated 1500 joules, right?
Yeah.
So what is the answer here? Yeah, Mahi, what is the answer here? Hello, Mahi.
Sir, I'm
Uh,
checking.
Yeah, what is the answer here?
Sir, 500.
So you understood it. Work done against gravity is coming from work done by driving force minus work done against gravity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is 500 joules. So W is the work done against friction. Okay, and E is the
Yes, sir.
increase in GP. That means work done against gravity. So here mg altogether it is 500 and h is 3, so it's coming 1500 joules. So Monica, please take a snap of it. 16. Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir, taking it.
Yeah, please. It's done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. This one already we discussed, right, Mahi? 17.
Yes, sir.
So we are not discussing it second time. This one you did correct. 20
Yes, sir.
you did correct. Okay. Yeah, that means you look. One thing I'm adding again, like Adrita got highest. It's all right. 17 she got, but you did uh, two of the questions she did wrong. Like she did wrong three in three, but from those three, you did correct. Is it clear, Mahi? Hello?
I guess he got disconnected.
Yeah, you. What I was saying, like I am saying, like the previous thing, what I said before, that every individual person has some potential, right? So you
Yes,
got,
everyone is unique.
yeah, unique. So what you got incorrect, Adita, you got highest, but what you got incorrect, three questions out
Someone
of
else got
them,
it correct.
yeah, out of them, Mahi did two correct. Okay, two of the
Yes.
question he did correct. So it's like everyone has talent, right? Everyone can
Yes.
do better if he tries. I think Mahi, you said me one thing during our discussion time. That is, you you went very fast, right, Mahi, while you were taking the test. Hello.
Sir, he got disconnected. I guess he has network issues.
Yeah, he had network issues. So we can. His part is over. Now we can go to another one. Like after Mahi, we got Monica's one. Okay, Monica. See, oh, Monica got 10. The Monica's score is 10. So we go for Mariam's one. Mariam, are you there? Hello, Mariam. Mariam is not there. She's sick. Then who else? Maimuna. Maimuna. Then Lamisa is there also. Lamisa. Yeah, in order, Lamisa is coming. So Lamisa. Hello, Lamisa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, look here. This question, question number 2. Can you read it, Lamisa?
Of course, sir. Which statement is correct? A. Infrared radiation cannot travel in a vacuum. B. Infrared radiation cannot travel in solids or in gases. C. Infrared radiation can only travel in a vacuum. D. Infrared radiation can travel in a vacuum and in gas.
Okay, so it's about infrared, right? Infrared radiation. So infrared radiation is the other name of heat energy, isn't it? Hello, Lamisa.
Yes, sir.
You should take this note that infrared radiation is other name of heat energy or thermal energy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are focusing about the sun. Now, every day we are getting sunlight, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, the sun is giving us heat energy as well, along with light energy. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And this heat energy is coming from far away from the earth. In most of the part, the distance, it is space, right? Vacuum, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In between sun and the earth, the maximum, I would say that almost, you say very much close to 100%, it is vacuum, right? Only our atmosphere, there is very little part. If you compare the distance with the earth and the sun, the atmosphere is very small part. Then we can say infrared radiation can travel in a vacuum, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this statement is not correct. We are
Sir.
ignoring this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Then
Proceed.
yeah, then we are going to B. Bangladesh infrared radiation cannot travel in solids or in gases. This is also incorrect. Heat energy is passing through gases, right? Heat can transfer through solids, it
Yes, sir.
can transfer through gases, we know. Though the process is different, in solid it goes by vibrations, and there is conduction. In gases, it goes by convection. Process is different, but it can travel, isn't it? It can go. Okay, now infrared radiation can only travel in a vacuum. Is it correct? Only travel? Only travel? Infrared radiation or heat can travel in vacuum, in solid, in gases, in liquid, right? Isn't it? Everywhere it can pass through, isn't it? Hello, Lamisa. Lamisa?
স্যার শুনতে পারছিলাম না, কাটা কাটা আসতেছিল স্যার।
So infrared radiation can travel through vacuum. It can travel through solid. It can
Yes,
travel
sir.
through gas. It can travel through liquid. Everywhere it can go, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not only about vacuum. Then finally we get infrared radiation can travel in a vacuum and in gases. So this statement is correct, right? Infrared
Yes, sir.
radiation can travel everywhere, everything. So it is correct. Now the answer is Dhaka. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay,
That
sir.
question number 2 is done. We see another question. So look, this one student did wrong. This one you did correct. And this one already discussed, right? 5.
Yes, sir.
Answer should be A because of dull black.
Yes, sir.
Why the answer is A? Because of dull black. Dull black, you know, it's a very good emitter of heat, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very good emitter of heat. That means it will help to do the radiation process faster. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this
Excuse
one
me,
the
sir.
answer is sorry. Yeah, you have another class, Adita.
Yes, sir. I need to leave it now.
Yeah, thank you, thank you for joining. Okay, we are now discussing the rest of the script, so you can leave, no problem. Then 8 already we discussed, right, Lamisa? And we send the screenshot in the group. For 8 we send
Yes,
the,
sir.
yeah, with solution we send it in the group. Then 10 10 we discussed 10 now. Can you read it, Lamisa? 10.
Okay, sir. Which method of producing electricity does not use an AC generator? A. Geothermal power station. B. Solar panels. C. Wave energy generators. D. Wind turbine.
So we know that uh, thermal power station or you know, any sort of, you know, electricity generation where there is related to turbine or generator to produce electricity. That one is, you see, related to wind turbine, then wave energy generators, then geothermal power station. All of them they are using AC generator because their process of electricity generation is by moving the turbine, and the turbine involves the generator to produce electricity. But solar panels only directly store the energy in solar cells. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Solar panel only store the energy in a battery or cell, right? Is it clear? And from that cell or
Yes,
battery,
sir.
we are getting the electrical energy. But it's not involved with the AC generator. So the answer should be C, right? Or B? Which one?
B.
B,
B.
Bangladesh. Okay, so wave energy generators, that one is also, you know, generators are, you know, fixed in the wave where there we have wave. Then wave move the turbines, then it's producing electricity by generator. So question number 10 is done. Now this one. Can you read, Lamisa, this one? Hello?
Yes, sir. A student suggests three different definitions for power. 1 energy transferred per second, 2 force into distance moved, 3 rate of doing work. Which definitions are correct?
Okay, so power. What is the formula of power? Can you say?
So work done, sir, I forgot, but আমার একটু মাঝে মাঝে মনে পড়ছিল তখন যে power is equals to work done or something এরকম কিছু লেখা ছিল।
Okay, okay. So it is work done by time, right? Is it clear? Power equals work done by time.
Yes sir,
Then
এরকম,
work
হ্যাঁ,
done, yeah, work done, that is
force into
force into
distance
distance
moved.
moved. So the second equation is given force into distance moved is the definition of power. It is wrong, isn't it?
Yes sir,
So force into distance moved is only work done. It's not work done by time. That's why it's not power. So which one is giving us work done by time? Let us check. Question 1, energy transferred per second. So it is right.
yes sir,
So it is our energy transferred means this is also work done. Okay, and rate of
yes sir,
doing work means work done by time. So the answer is
1 and 3 only, C.
C. Very good. This one already discussed, right? Hello. This
Yes
one
sir,
already we discussed from
yes
Miles
sir,
paper. Then okay. So this one is involved with the weight and increase in gravitational potential energy. So take it here. Which athlete jumps the highest? So how will do it? Can you figure it out?
sir, I thought যত হাইট বাড়বে তত মানে যত গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল পটেনশিয়াল এনার্জি বাড়বে তত ওয়েট বাড়বে আর কি, এভাবে দিছিলাম।
No, 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 no. Weight,
In-
weight. Just today we discussed one thing like this is gravitational potential energy. So this is involved with GPE, right?
yes sir,
Isn't it? GPE is equals to mgh.
GH,
And we told you mg is the weight, right?
yes sir,
So you write here weight multiplied
into height.
height. Very good.
Mhm. Yes sir,
Now for each of the row, the GP is given and weight also given. So we can rearrange this formula, right? Yeah.
yes sir,
So we can write height equals what? Weight will go down, right?
yes sir,
GPE divided by weight. So now you can do for all of them, you can find the height, right?
yes sir,
So tell me what is the first height given here?
1320,
Divided by 600.
yes sir,
Then what is the answer you got for A? Hello? 1320 divided by 600. What is the answer? Anyone can tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
1320 divided by 600, right? According to the formula we got. Hello.
Sir, 2.2.
Yeah, 2.2 meter, right? We write here meter. Then next one. 1610 divided by 700. Quick, tell me quick.
Sir, 2.3.
2.3. Then next. 1760 divided by 800. What is the answer?
2.2, sir.
Again 2.2. Then last one.
2.
What? Again only 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very simple to understand. It is only 2. Now you take which one is giving you the highest jump. Which one?
B.
2.3, right? So you got the answer now, right? Is it clear? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Monica.
sir.
Monica, please send it, huh? Monica. So today this much we are doing. We will continue in next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Thank
Allah
you.
Hafiz. Thank you, sir.